check these videos out.
Hola! Hello, everybody. How y'all doing, man? Look, I just want to give a quick intro into this video here. This job that I'm about to get ready and show y'all is a job that we did last summer, 2023. We did this big fence job and came out amazing. So I just want to let y'all see. A lot of people ask what all do we do. Can't Stop is a company that does pretty much anything to a property. We can tear a property down, we can build a property up, we can remodel a property, we can cut trees down, we install fences, we do lawn maintenance, we do side. It's nothing really that we can't do to a property. So that's what we do. So I want y'all to check out this video. We did this fence job for a customer. She had hired somebody else and they told her they could do the job. They was not able to do the job. She ended up finding us online. I don't know if it was Google or Facebook, but she found us and said, hey, can you do it? We went in, we did the job. Bam, we got this job looking amazing. Check it out. What's good with the Cant family and the tree spot and the remodel team? We out on a job out here in Smyrna today. Had to come in and give them a video. We're getting started, first day on the job. So what we're gonna do on this job today is we're cutting out all these trees out of here. We're taking everything out of here. We're gonna clear this back down to the dirt. So this tree's coming out of here, that tree right there. I done started cutting this tree. We're gonna take all this stuff up out of here. Then we got this fence right here, taking this whole fence up out of here. The whole fence is gone. None of this gonna be left here. Holes, removing all the posts, and we're gonna replace and put a new fence in. So we're gonna come all the way down. All this going, so it is already started taking loose the fence, cutting everything out of here on the fence. So we're gonna remove all this. We're gonna come through and take everything out. This fence is gonna go, and we're getting rid of this one. We're gonna replace it and open up her yard. That's gonna give her an 8-foot fence that'll come through here. We're gonna get rid of all this brush. So everything here will be gone. We're not gonna cut none of these trees down in the back, but we're gonna cut everything back here down. So everything that you see back here will be gone. So this is gonna be, open up all this brush, everything over here that you see how all this stuff is covered right now. Everything is gonna be gone. So this is the beginning of the walkthrough. After we tear everything out, we're gonna come back in with a brand new fence. All this fencing going. Everything here is gonna be gone. All the way down to that wooden fence that's all the way in the back. If you see that fence that's right there, all the way in the back to that wood fence, we're gonna take all that metal out. And get this thing here, a nice privacy fence. Look at that tree. We'll get that whole tree down and gone. So I had to come in and give them a video so we can get everything seen. And now it's time to get back to work. All right, y'all, we about to get ready and take this tree down. We took everything else out of here, down. Now we about to get ready and drop this one. Had to watch this power line. Man, he got up in the tree so fast, I didn't even see him climb it. Look how fast he putting this chainsaw. It's bad, y'all. My guy's bad, my team is bad, man. We got all the trucks. All the trucks out here. done. We got a full crew tonight, y'all. Got the man that's doing the rope, got the climber. We got 5 guys on the ground doing everything, else. Got the full crew right here. That's how you do it. Thank you for calling. Okay, what service would you like to get done? Look at Eddie. You gotta have a team to make it happen, man. You gotta have a team. We pull up ready to go. Yeah, I love hitting, man. That's my guy, dog. That's my guy, dog. All right, y'all. We done got it done, the first phase of the project. We got that completed. I had to get the trees out of here first. That was the first thing I had to do before I could go ahead and start having complete access to the backyard. So I got that completely done. Got the fence removed in the front yard. And next up, we'll be back out here Monday. And we're gonna get everything grinded up, start getting all the clearing and everything done. First phase done. All trees down. Fence in the front yard removed. This is what we do.
Can't stop it. 'Cause you can't stop it. 'Cause you can't